This is one of the most popular toys nowadays, and also was in the past. It's a train set. You can also have a highway set. It's from Lidl. It's from a series of wood-based toys. It's a Playtive Junior set. This one here is the railway set. They also have a highway set which has different cars and a different track. The box is pretty big and heavy, as you can see on the back here. There are also a lot of optional tracks and cars and other construction buildings that can be added to the set. And here we have a list of parts that are in the set. This is an extension set with cars and a helicopter. And here it's an extension track for the set. I'm gonna put this on the side. Okay, let's open the box. Let's see on which side it opens. It opens here. And it opens like a suitcase. We have a manual with the design of the track, and also a manual about the set itself. And these are the rail parts. They are easy to connect one to the other. And we have here, we have some funny animals to make the set more animated. We also got some foliage, have some trees and bushes. Okay. These are for building bridges. Let's go on to the train itself. This is a locomotive, and it also has a battery included for power. We will need a screwdriver to open its cap. This will go forward and backward. You can select from the buttons the direction of the heading. You also get an additional cart. They connect with magnets, and also you get additional cars to put around. Have a guy here and lots of other stuff. Okay, let's install the set. So the track is almost installed. It's a very clever design, as each part can be reversed. So if you want to make a bend left and then you need a bend right, you just turn the part around and you can obtain another custom track. I'm going to show you how modular and how nice it is to construct this. We are going to build the railway station. So the railway station comes in a bag, completely disassembled, and you need to install it yourself. It's made from two parts. It's the base part and the roof part. It has columns for support. You got a bench for your travelers to sit around. Okay, and you also have a panel that simulates the railway track system, and this you can install where you want it to be on your track. You also have some nice guys. This one looks like the mechanic of the train, and you can actually install him inside the train. It has a room here for him to stick out. You also have a nice car pass here, where you can drive with your cars that you have received on your set. like this one, it will go like this. Over here you also have indicators for the track. You get some funny animals that can watch how the train passes by. You also have a stop for the cars, and you can also put some hedges here. You also have a bag with other foliage like a funny bear and a lake. Have a lake with toads. You got a fence with a rabbit. We even got a small forest card, and to install them you have a support that holds them in place like this. Now I'm going to install the battery in the locomotive and see how it goes. The locomotive runs with a AAA battery, which is supplied with that. It has a cap here and you need a screwdriver to open it. Okay. It works. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna replace the screw. Okay. And I will also connect the wagon. They connect by magnetic force, and I'm gonna put it around. So here we go. The train is on tracks. So the set is completely installed. I'm gonna leave this running. As you will see a full loop. We got a barrier here. We have this guy that drives his truck with a load inside. We have another car here waiting. The train will go uphill, go downhill. We got animals, we got trees, fences. There are some spare parts which are used in another track design, and I did a bridge with them, as you can see here, with the set. You can do several tracks, and you can use more parts from the extension. I'm going to quickly show you the rest of the additional cars, and also something amazing. The small locomotive will pull all the cars that are on this track. When it goes uphill, it will slip a bit, because I didn't do an essential thing that it's on the manual. It specified that the track has some dust from the production, and you need to wipe it clean with a damp cloth, and I did not do that, so there's a lot of dust on it and it gathers onto the locomotive wheel. So you get a helicopter which has spinning blades, you get a fire truck, a taxi, an ambulance, and a police car. They can work on this track. They are meant to be used on the highway of this set. And the additional tracks, you get some different parts that are not included into the main set, like this one, you get additional bridges, you have end of the lines, and you can make a lot more complicated tracks like this, comparing with the original tracks here. And you also will have much bigger length of track, and here you can clean the tracks with a damp cloth before use. This is to prevent the slippage of the wheels. So, and the parts here are all made of wood, like the original track. And you got a crossroad here, and you got this, so you can have 2 loops. So this is the extension set. Bye bye.